Developing at this hour, hundreds of thousands of Columbus residents will soon be relieved of their medical debt. The Columbus City Council partnered with the Central Ohio Hospital Council to help pay off millions for those who couldn't afford their medical care.
10 TV's Sarah Jabbour joins us live tonight in Columbus with details on who this will impact and how this debt's going to be paid off. Tara.
Andrew, Yolanda, tonight Columbus City Council will approve about $500,000 that will go towards paying the admin fees for over $300 million worth of medical debt. Now, this is a partnership between the city of Columbus and 4 local hospitals. About 340,000 Columbus residents will no longer have to pay off their medical bills.
Medical debt is the leading cause of bankruptcy in this country. Families should not have to choose between putting food on the table and accessing needed medical care.
The Columbus City Council is partnering with Central Ohio Hospital Council to pay off the debt, but they aren't paying directly for the medical bills.
They're voluntarily wiping this debt away. So what we're reimbursing them for is for the administrative costs it took to identify the individuals that are eligible for the medical debt program, and certainly the cost of notification and some of those more logistical parts of it.
Those who are receiving the relief are between 200 and 400% of the federal poverty level. It's families who need the help.
So we're really talking about folks that are working in Columbus that, maybe at times working 1 or 2 jobs really to make ends meet. So these are, oftentimes the working poor.
Now the hope is that those families will be able to use the money that they are saving for other expenses.
Toward helping our fellow neighbors rebuild their savings, pay off their bills, qualify for a future loan, make a down payment on a new car, or support our local business.
The hospitals participating are Mount Carmel Health System, Nationwide Children's Hospital, Ohio State University Wexner Medical Center, and Ohio Health.
Our hospitals understand the financial burden that medical bills can place on our patients.
Klinger says no one should have to refuse care because of costs.
No Central Ohio resident should ever delay or forego care due to an outstanding payment. Our hospitals have and will continue to care for all Central Ohio residents, regardless of their ability to pay.
And those whose debt will be paid off will be notified by the mail in the coming weeks. Reporting live in Columbus, Sarah Jabbour, 10 TV News.
Tara, thanks so much. Now, this is not the first time a city in Ohio has erased medical debt. Recently, the city of Toledo relieved more than $240 million of medical debt. But Columbus City Council member Rob Dorma says that the difference between the two cities is instead of working with a third party, Columbus is working directly with the hospitals.
We're talking about over $360 million worth of medical debt that they have on their books, that have been on their books oftentimes for years, if not, close to a decade, and going through them and partnering with them to forgive that debt for those individuals here in the city of Columbus.
To find out how this medical debt relief works, you can find out on our website, 10tv.com.